Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to another Hopping to It video blog with yours truly, Bill Jr., here at Four Seasons Kanga Roof. And today we're talking about labor and material warranties. What the heck are they? What do they cover? So let's start with the easy one, material warranties. And for you, the consumer out there, I think it's really important to understand where we're at as an industry for roofing and siding. Almost every single product now out on the market comes with what's called a lifetime warranty. The reason I don't like that is it's very deceiving to you, the consumer, because a lifetime warranty, as defined by the state of Michigan, is actually limited to 50 years. So it's important to know that here in Michigan, a lifetime warranty means 50 years. More importantly, all that is guarding you against are manufacturer defects. It does not mean that they're guaranteeing that roof will last for 50 years. What they're guaranteeing is for 50 years, it will be free from manufacturer defects. So really, really important to know. And again, this is why there are different calibers and tiers of shingles out there. You know, if you use CertainTeed, you have the Patriot. It's an entry-level dimensional shingle. You have Landmark. You have Landmark Pro. You have Northgate. They're thicker and heavier as you go. And guess what? They're going to last longer. So very, very important to realize what you're actually getting with a limited lifetime warranty. And this holds true for siding as well. So we never want you to think, hey, I have a lifetime warranty. I'm protected if my roof doesn't last 50 years. I can just go to the manufacturer. The other real big limitation that homeowners don't realize is that warranty operates on a prorated scale, which means it doesn't hold the same value in year 2 as it does in year 20. The other piece that's tied right to that is it's only protecting you for the value of the shingles or the siding itself. It does not provide any value for the removal of the roof that's not working or had a defect, no value for the ice and water shield, the underlayments, the venting, the installation of the new roof. It is just what's the cost of the new shingles to replace those, meaning provide you the product of the shingles or the siding that had a defect in it. Now, if you want a more comprehensive protection, that's where all the manufacturers, CertainTeed, ICO, Owens Corning, GAF, they have what are called full system warranties. A full system warranty is generally going to be defined to last somewhere between 30 and 50 years. It'll state it in black and white. And that is covering the whole system. Now, at that point too, manufacturers are generally going to require every single component be their own, meaning it's a CertainTeed underlayment, it's a CertainTeed ice and water shield, it's a CertainTeed vent. Because if they're going to put their butt on the line, they're not going to put a cheek. They're putting their whole keister on the line. And the other piece that they're going to require is that your installer or your contractor hold the right certifications from them as the manufacturer to even be able to offer that type of warranty. So really, really important to understand lifetime warranty, big red flags. Make sure you know what you're actually purchasing there, because if you're purchasing a full system warranty, it should come with a fancy title like a 5-star from CertainTeed or a golden pledge from GAF. These whole system warranties are marketed and sold as their own product in addition to the roofing. And your contractor will know this and should be able to easily articulate this and demonstrate it to you on the contract. So now let's talk about labor. What the heck is a labor warranty? We see this written on contracts all the time. We'll see 20-year labor warranty, 50-year craftsmanship warranty. Well, what do these mean? So often there's no language actually spelling out what that contractor is protecting you, the consumer, against. I love labor because what does a 20-year labor warranty mean? Does it mean for 20 years they're warranting and guaranteeing, yes, we provided the labor to do this? And it's really important for you as the homeowner or the consumer, because that contract is the only legally binding document to spell out what you're purchasing and what they're providing. If they can't provide you in writing the exact terms, conditions, what's covered, what's not, that should set off major, major red flags for you as the homeowner, because it is going to limit your legal recourse in the event that the project doesn't go right or you experience an issue 2, 10, 20 years down the road. So you always want to ask that. Now, here's the good news. Many of those full system warranties from the manufacturer will offer and do spell out if they offer a coverage period regarding the craftsmanship, the actual installation methodology that was used to install your roofing or siding system. Here's the better news. We have a better solution than that. We came up with what's called the no blame game guarantee, meaning not only are we going to guarantee and put in writing and spell out our master craftsmanship guarantee for a period of time, anywhere up to 20 years. We have that no blame game which says we guarantee our craftsmanship and we guarantee the actual warranty you purchased from the manufacturer. So God forbid they go out of business, or they're all, let's face it, they're all these giant multinational corporations. If they don't live up to what you purchased, we, Four Seasons Kanga Roof, will step up and honor that warranty. We never want you being put in the crosshairs between your contractor and your manufacturer, blaming each other, and nobody stepping up to protect you, the consumer, who did nothing wrong. So hopefully this breaks this down a little bit better, makes it a little bit more digestible to understand what is a labor warranty, what's a material warranty, and how to navigate that and ask those questions. Hey, if you like what you heard and you want that type of protection, maybe you want the 5-star, you want that no blame game, give us a call. You can book your appointment directly online through our website, never even talk to my team, and pick the date and time that works for you. Or, if you're like me, hey, give us a call, 586-566-0308. My team is standing by. We're happy to hop to it for you, take care of you. And with that said, I hope you have a Kangarific day.